sila ng Viva na may screening abroad. Tuloy ba, Direk?
Tuloy po sa US, Canada, and
Oo.
Middle East.
Oo, ang mismo mga fans daw na nila Ashton Andres ang naglalakad, umaayos, no, ng mga black screening abroad. Tama?
Opo. Tapos, marami pang ibang countries na hindi pa showing, pero talagang yung fans nila. Kinakalapag ako personally sa Instagram ko, mga taga-Pakistan, taga-India, taga-Latin America. So, ang lakas talaga ng ano nila, global following nila.
Ang bongga rin kasi talagang nagawa sila ng Viva One, di ba? Oo. Yan. Pero ano ba dapat namin i-expect dito sa minamahal? Oo. Kanina while riding, no, sa Skyway ako, naman parang tumutugtog sa isipan ko yung theme song ng movie. Ang tindi ng dating ng minamahal. So, yeah, kayo tatlo, anong dapat i-expect namin with minamahal? And bakit pala binalik sa yung subtitle, 100 bulaklak para kay Luna? Kasi as of yesterday lang daw yan eh.
Bali yung, ako personally, yung kailangan abangan ng mga tao. Kasi ano pa sila eh, parang hindi pa talaga sila lumabas sa big screen as lead actors, especially Andres. Yun ang isang major reason na kailangan abangan natin to kasi genuinely speaking, talagang they're stars in the making, superstars in the making. And I'm very honored na ako yung parang nagkaroon ng honor para gawan sila ng pelikula.
Ang swerte mo nga raw, Direk eh.
Kung ano yung nakikita ko sa pag nagdi-direct sa kanila, yung magic na dinadala nila sa screen, I'm excited for other people, kay fans man or casual viewers, to witness that magic that I see every time we shoot.
Yeah, ang bongga nga kasi talagang expected na lahat blockbuster, di ba? Lahat excited. So yan, Astin and Andres.
Sa akin naman po, ang dapat nilang abangan is yung lesson na pag magmamahal ka, sige, ibigay mo lahat, pero huwag mo kakalimutan magtira para sa sarili mo.
And Andres.
Yes, I think everyone should watch out for the themes of love in this movie and how all of us, we experience love in our lives, whether it's giving love or loving something, or we love the things that we do. And I think this movie shows just the challenges and the journey that love brings, whether that's the ups, the highs, and the downs and the lows.
Yeah, ang bongga ng pagkakasabi mo. Pero ang bongga, no, Astin, Andres, grabe ang support ng fans. Kitang-kita sa Viva Canada, kitang-kita dito, and around the world. Oh.
Yes, yun nga. Firstly, I would like to thank, all the fans that are here today. You guys all here in the back. Thank you, keepers. Thank you so much. I'd also like to thank the fans internationally that have supported us and continue to support us along this journey. Sa totoo lang, we never really expected any of this to happen, and coming from Mutyanak Section E to now here our first film with the great JPL as our director. Seriously, it's really an honor that I'm really happy. Me and Ash are both really happy that we got the opportunity to work with JPL. I know that they have worked together in the past, but ako naman, I'm really grateful for you, Direk. I'm learning a lot as we go, and it's really an honor.
Yeah, worldwide ipapalabas, no? You guys going abroad to attend the screenings?
Why not? Diba?
May nag-schedule na ba?
Pwede ko ba sabihin, or?
Yeah, para mas abangan.
Yes, we're working on the scheduling now, but there will be showings internationally. We just cannot confirm exactly all the places just yet, but expect to have at least one.
Yeah. Heard from my friends from Spain, Madrid, that a lot of Filipinos there, they're organizing screenings, no? Kasi they're all so excited na makita ka ulit at isama mo daw si Astin sa pagbabalik mo sa Madrid. Kasi ang daming mga naging friends mo eh.
Yes, marami kong mga Pinoy na friends sa Madrid, and miss ko sila talaga kasi they were my livelihood, and they helped me survive talaga throughout my college experience. And sana, if we could have the chance to go back to Spain also so that Ash could see, I could take her around sa Madrid, you know, and it would be really great if we could get the chance to have a vlog screening sa Madrid.
Yeah, ang bongga, mukhang gusto mo siya ilibot nga talaga sa sinabi mo. If there's three places in Madrid na special sa'yo, saan mo siya dadalhin and why?
In Madrid, para sa akin, siguro Retiro Park sa Madrid, which is like I think it's the most famous park in Madrid.
Yeah,
and
ang
it's
laki
just-
niya, no?
Yes, very beautiful park.
Oh, napagod ako sa kakalibot, di ba?
Nakapunta ka na ba?
Oo, yeah.
Ang ganda, di ba? It's very nice.
Yeah, where else? Yeah.
Retiro Park. Ano pa? I'll bring her sa Sunan University ko para makita niya.
And one more, and why?
Where else pa in Madrid? Basta I will tour her around. Pag nandyan na, if the opportunity is there, then yun na.
Yan, aabangan niya ng mga fans niyo. Katulad ng aabangan nila ang minamahal on September 24. Congratulations!
Thank you
and good luck.
po.
Maraming salamat po. Wow. May passport ka naman na, Ashley.
Meron. Ready naman.
Ready ka naman. Sa'yo pala yung makasama ka dun sa maleta. Parang pupunta ka na sa Madrid. Okay guys, pero for the information of everyone, again, we're gonna be showing on September 24th sa Philippines po yan, 26th sa USA and Canada. Of course, sa Middle East, coming soon pa yan to be announced. And of course, sa ibang bansa pa, lahat yan to be announced. Again, 24 Philippines, 26 po sa USA and Canada. There we go. You guys are global force. Grabe. Talaga naman ang mga friends ko dito. Okay, tuloy naman tayo. Next on the list we have, let's call in from Manila Bulletin, Robert Lacantina.
Hello, magandang hapon.
Hello po.
Congratulations Andres and Ashley and kay Direk. Direk, so paano mo i-describe ang chemistry ni Andres at ni Ashley? And nung nag-shoot ba kayo, madali mo bang labas yung projection nilang dalawa para maging magical yung dating sa screen?
On and off screen, they have chemistry. Tapos, dito sa pelikulang ito, di ba kapag romance yung genre, yung actors dapat nilalabas mo yung chemistry, yung kilig. That's the least of my worries. Kasi on their own, kaya na nila yun.
So talaga parang natural na yung mga chemistry nila.
Oo.
And then kay Andres and Ashley, okay, matagal na rin kayo magkakilala, pero sa paggawa niyo ng minamahal, anong na-discover niyo sa isa't isa na bago?
Na bago?
Yes, so may bago i-discover sa isa't isa.
Ikaw na naman
While shooting the film.
Siguro, ang na-discover ko kay Andres ngayon is sobrang nakakatawa po pala siya. Kasi before nagjo-joke siya, parang kailangan ko pakilitin yung sarili ko para lang ako. Pero ngayon, super funny niya po. Lumabas talaga yung goofy side niya and sobrang effortless niya magpatawa.
Wow, good answer. You didn't expect yun. Ano kaya? Yung bago?
Andres to Ash naman. Ano yung bago na discover mo ngayon? Alam ko madami ka na alam sa kanya eh. Pero ano yung bago?
Di ko maisip kasi ano to. Para sa akin, like, from ang muna ng section ni pa lang, when we were ready, first initially paired, I learned a lot of things about Ash already and parang nagagets ko naman yung character niya and everything.
Tama. Hinuhulaan niya. Minsan dinedenay ko na nahihiya ako. Sabi, hindi, nahihiya ka. Sige na nga, oo, tama ka. Alam niya.
Ano na lang, Andres, siguro ano yung pinaka-gusto mong quality ni Ashley?
Si Ash?
Yes.
Talagang how genuine she is. You know, even when we have our conversations on set, I really enjoy it and I look forward to it every day. And even coming to work every other day on set, I enjoy having these conversations with Ash and yun, very genuine.
Okay. Maraming salamat and congratulations.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po. Next, let's call in from TV5.